Don't be someone's downtime, spare time, side time, or some time. That person is really using you. At that time, even people they tell you you are being used, but you don't listen sometimes because even you know that your partner can tell you that I have got a wife, I'm married, or she married. Even now, men they are dating married women nowadays. It's 50-50 nowadays. Why are you dating a person who is married sometimes? Because you know that you are like a side time sometimes, because that person maybe they have got a fight with his wives. That's why he is calling you, because he wants you to massage him or what. Sometimes guys, don't be used with some other people. Don't being used most of the time, because you can like a spare wheel. You know that a car have got a spare wheel. Sometimes a spare wheel can work when another wheel, the original one, maybe you've got a problem and they put a spare wheel. It's like you, sometimes you are like a spare wheel some most of the time, because that person, when he is in love with you, they have got a fight with his wife. That's why now he is pretending like, maybe because he wants you to comfort him. They want comfort from you. And maybe sometimes you don't open your eyes. Maybe you are deep in love. That person is not deep in love, because at the moment they are back, he is back to his wife. That person, he is pretending like he doesn't know you or what, because at that time he wants you to comfort him only, not to being in love. He doesn't love you, but he wants you to comfort him. So that's why they have got a spare wheel. A spare wheel is you and the original wife. You understand, the original one. So sometimes don't be like a spare wheel, because a spare wheel, most of the time when you need him, at that time maybe he is with his wife or with his real partner. So you have to open your eyes.